I did the interview, but I didn't get a decision yet. Okay, so Hidayat, awesome. So sometimes with interviews, it takes a little bit of time, right? It takes a little bit of time, especially, with certain types of interviews, and I won't go into the details there on here because we have multiple people watching, but it may be that it might take a couple of weeks. So what I would say is keep in contact with your attorney. You can always call USCIS and see what's happening as well. But if you don't get a decision in a reasonable time frame, there are some options to kind of speed that along. I don't think, Hidayat, you are there yet, given that I know your time frame a little bit. But for people that have had cases pending for a long time, for people that have had cases pending for a really long time, essentially what you're looking at is, you could speed it along. You could force the government to make a decision on your case. So there's a process to do that. It involves a federal lawsuit. So it is a little bit serious. We want to do some preliminary things beforehand to kind of set you up to do that. But if it's outside of normal processing times, if it's just kind of stuck in administrative processing and you don't know how to move it along, there is an avenue to make that work for you. Okay, so call us if you think that is something you're interested in. We do this. We also do this for many of our clients, where we essentially force the government to make a decision. So you really only want to do this if you have a strong case, right? You don't want to do this if you have a weak case, because essentially what you're doing is asking the government to make a decision on your case, not necessarily a good decision. But if it's a strong case, the likelihood is that it will be an approval. So again, give us a call if your case has been pending for a really long time, you want to move it along, you want to force the government to make a decision, and we will walk through what that looks like for you. Okay, we're at 703-348-1663.